Infidelity leaves behind pain that can linger in every part of a relationship, especially in the bedroom. When trust is broken, passion often disappears, but healing is possible. Today, we'll explore how couples can move from pain to passion, step by step, and begin to reconnect sexually after betrayal. Sex cannot be rebuilt on top of unspoken hurt. The betrayed partner may feel unsafe, pressured, or disconnected. The unfaithful partner may feel guilt, fear, or desperation to fix things through intimacy. Before passion can return, both must acknowledge the pain and commit to healing it, not hiding it. Infidelity creates what psychologists call betrayal trauma. This trauma affects both the mind and body, which results in safety feeling shattered, desire shutting down, and touch that once comforted now triggers pain. Recognizing this isn't weakness, it's the first step toward reclaiming intimacy. Here are 5 steps to move from pain to passion. 1. Rebuild emotional safety. Without honesty and openness, the bedroom will always feel unsafe. Emotional intimacy comes before physical intimacy. 2. Start small. Begin with non-sexual touch like holding hands or cuddling with no expectation of sex. 3. Communicate about boundaries. Talk openly about what feels okay and what feels triggering. Boundaries build trust. 4. Explore gradual intimacy. Move slowly, focusing on presence rather than performance. Let closeness grow naturally. 5. Redefine passion together. Passion doesn't mean returning to how things used to be. It means creating new ways of connecting deeper, more intentional, and more authentic. Rebuilding sexual intimacy after infidelity takes time, but couples who commit to honesty, patience, and consistent care can experience passion again, not as a cover-up for pain, but as a reflection of true healing. The bedroom can become a place of trust and closeness once more. From pain to passion isn't about rushing into sex. It's about creating safety, choice, and connection, and letting desire return naturally. Subscribe for more tools on healing intimacy after betrayal.